Want to make sure you don't get FaceTime calls from unknown numbers? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable call filtering for FaceTime on iPhone. Now let's get started. To enable call filtering for FaceTime, first open your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps. Then select FaceTime. Scroll down to the Call Filtering section. Then tap the switch labeled Unknown Callers. This will filter any FaceTime calls and voicemail from unknown numbers to your unknown callers list. To see your unknown callers list, open the FaceTime app and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Unknown Callers. That's all it takes to enable call filtering for FaceTime on your iPhone. Want to weed out all spam callers? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.